Did you know that the FX market never sleeps? It's like a 24-hour marathon, and it all starts in Sydney, Australia. As the sun rises over Sydney, the FX market awakens for the Asian session. Then it's off to Tokyo, where traders in the Asian markets seize their opportunities. But the real action? That's in London, the heart of it all. It's here that the majority of the world's trading volume flows into the market. As the day unfolds, it's time for New York to take the reins. What's fascinating is that you as a trader can join in from any corner of the world. Choose the time zone that suits you best. Keep in mind, the highest trading volumes are typically found during the London and New York sessions, the giants of the financial world. At Audacity Capital, we empower traders to seize opportunities in this global marketplace, no matter where you are. Join us in the world of Forex trading and unlock the potential of a 24-hour market.